Hey guys, what's up? This is just some quick little footage of a little tarpon mission that I had in the backcountry. Wasn't exactly successful, right? I ended up jumping 2 fish. This is kind of for me just as much as it is for you. It's kind of like a record for me. Kind of gives me an idea where I was and what I was doing and what time of year and whatnot. So that way I remember what's going on. But it's also some pretty cool footage anyways. Was fishing a 7-foot medium action rod, 3,000 size reel, 10-pound braid, 30-pound leader. Had a 1.0 wide gap worm hook with a little baby white Zoom Fluke. So that's pretty much it. Go check it out. Like I said, if you can't figure it out by now, tarpon fishing is probably one of the more favorite types of fishing that I like to do, especially in the backcountry when I can sight cast them and watch them eat. So it's pretty cool, even if I don't catch them. So it is what it is. Go check it out. Hope you enjoy it. See ya. Bye.
I got a little snook. Come on. Seriously? There's a poon right there and I catch a little snook. Where's he at? There's a fish right there. I don't know. There's a fish. Missed it. Got it that time. Got it that time. That's a good poon. That's a good poon. Oh, I lost him. Damn. Shit. Oh, there's a poon right there. There's definitely a poon right there. Oh. There he is right there. Oh, I got it. Oh, I lost him. Damn it.